All right, guys, this is the pedestrian crossing traffic lights. Okay, and we have the microbit here is plugged in into our edge connector board, and each one of those wires goes to an LED, and they're all grounded to 0 volts as well. Okay, when you press one of the buttons, the traffic lights will run in sequence. 2-second delay. And then turn off. Okay, so how did I go ahead and make that? Well, I went to the makecode.org microbit website, and then I dragged in pins from here. Digital right is the one I used, and I used the pause one as well. As you can see here, you'll find that in basic. Here I used that one too. And my thought behind it was good practice, you know. You could easily do this by just telling pins to just turn on and then stay on for 2 seconds, and then the next pin to stay on as well. But it's always good practice to tell pins to turn off after they've been used. Like digital right pin 0 to 1, that'll be one of the lights. It'll stay on for 2 seconds, and then tell digital right pin 0 to turn off by putting in a 0 here. And then pin 1, that'll be another light to come on, and then stay on for 2 seconds, and then pin 1 to go off, and then pin 2 to come on, stay on for 2 seconds, and then pin 2 to go off. And that's the sequence. That's a good sequence. And then you can simulate it here as you're building. All right, so if you hit the play function over here, press button A pressed, see pin 0 comes on, then off. Pin 1 comes on, then off. Pin 2 comes on, and then off. And as you can see, the 3 pins are off at the end of the sequence. And that's good practice, especially when you're going to be doing things down the road, like getting motors to move. Okay.